Okay, so I was having some issues with my starting fire with a lemon. So I am just going to walk through it instead of actually making the fire. Unfortunately, um, this wire that I got is not pliable to go around it. So it wouldn't wrap and wouldn't be able to close that circuit. But I will just explain what was supposed to happen. So you can see I have three copper, um, we'll call them electrodes. So I've got three copper pieces, and then I have zinc nails, electrodes. So um, what's supposed to happen is that when there's two electrodes of a different material, which we have here, that's connected by a conductive material, it generates electricity. So I had connected with some wire here, and then the wire was going to be wrapped around each side, and then it was going to go together and then place each touching steel wool, which then would have closed the circuit, and electricity would have started. So that's why a fire could have been started, because this actually can create volts of electricity. Um, and the reason why that is possible without being connected to electricity is because the lemon is in the juice inside is acidic, so it is a liquid electrolyte. So it makes it a good the lemon makes it a good species for that. Other fruits and vegetables can be used as well, but because the lemon is particularly acidic. So again, what would be happening? Um, so I'm going to go here. So basically, how a battery works is that there has two ends, positive cathode and a negative anoid. And then again, if you connect them with a wire, circuit is formed. And so the reason why electricity is formed is because electrons are actually flowing through the wire, and a current of electricity is created. And that is because inside of, during that, there's actually a chemical reaction taking place, which is creating the electricity. So again, these are two different electrodes. The zinc is oxidized inside of the electrolyte, inside of the lemon, and then it exchanges some of its electrons um, because it wants to get to a lower state. It has more electrons, and then through that and energy is released, and basically the lemon just provides a space for that to happen, for the electrons to be transported. um, so basically, again, um, this is this would be the so electrons flow towards the anoid. So this would be the cathode, and then electrons of the zinc would flow towards the copper, and they would flow out through the exposed wire. Uh, and so, yeah, that's basically what would happen, and it would be able to create fire. And because everything is connected by wire, it makes it a free flow. If it wasn't connected by wire, then the electrons wouldn't flow freely, and electricity couldn't be created. Uh, so that's why that happens. It's pretty crazy that you can get electricity started with a lemon. And again, it does have to be two different species, which is why this was pure copper, and this was pure zinc nail. So yeah, that is what would have happened.